In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can find the Ruriko-Ji temple here in Forza Horizon 6. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, what you need to do is go ahead and just open up the pause menu. And once you open up the pause menu, you need to open up the world map and you need to filter by the map regions. And as you can see, this is in the Mino region right here. This is kind of close to the first estate that you buy. If you just make your way down this road, you'll go ahead and branch off. And essentially, you need to go to this specific location right over here. So go ahead and make your way over to that location. We're actually heading there right now. And there's a mascot over here as well that we need to collect. So that's actually perfect. But once you're here, I recommend just turning into this location right here. Make your way over to where the mascot itself is. And this is essentially the temple right over here. So go ahead and just open up photo mode. It's going to put you in day. And you can really take a picture of anything over here. It doesn't necessarily matter. You just have to make sure that you capture the full temple right here. So as you can see, I'm pretty much right from where this mascot is. If you take a picture of the full temple, it'll go ahead and reward you with it. And that is the full process. Just make sure that you get the full temple, not just like a zoomed in part of it. If you have to zoom out a little bit, that works, don't worry. But yeah, that's the full process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.